Shopify for IPTV isn't the right platform for you. In this video, I'm going to be quickly discussing with you if your IPTV business will run on Shopify or not, and if you choose to do it, what problems and what benefits you're going to be facing. So, Shopify, as we all know, is one of the best business providers out there. It's one of the greatest e commerce websites, and you can create any type of business on it. Now, obviously, if you're watching this video, you're looking out to grow your IPTV business. Okay, your IPTV business could be any online streaming platform, like you have Go Movies, you have 1 to 3 movies, you have anime websites like Nine Anime, Kiss Anime, Go Anime. You get the point. So those are IPTV websites. They're basically online streaming websites. Now, when it comes to Shopify, in short, I would say not to use Shopify for your IPTV. Now, the reason for that is because Shopify hasn't gotten really good reviews when it comes to IPTV. Now, a lot of people have done it. So, as you can see, this Reddit user over here, they are new to Shopify and selling digital products like IPTV subscriptions. But the problem is that there's a lot of tracking number issues. Now, a lot of people in the forum have these issues. And it's not only this person. There's a lot of other people that also don't recommend it. You can check it out on many other reviewing sites. Now, the issue that IPTV brings you is because obviously it's a digital product, so there's a difficulty getting a tracking number on a TV subscription. Then moving on, even to buy a video on demand or IPTV subscription, you do need to invest in a lot of money, so it can get a little pricey for a person who's starting this off for themselves. Then there's a lot of integrations that go into IPTV as well, so you're going to need to keep that in mind. And moving on, there's also other things that you're going to want to keep in mind to get packages. And for IPTV, you don't even have an automation bot to use. Okay, so you're going to need to be vigilant every now and then because IPTV servers could go down really quickly as well. There's no knowing. And in general, it's just not a good idea to do this on Shopify. So, again, in short, the answer, on my opinion, would be not to do IPTV through Shopify. You can use other providers as well, but that's obviously my opinion. You could go with whatever take you want to go ahead with. So, yeah, that's pretty much about this video. Thank you for watching. Drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.